Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to My Transmission Experts, the best shop in Montgomery. As you can tell, we have amazing store hours, Monday through Friday from 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday 8 to 5. Follow me this way. As your vehicle comes into the shop every day, what we do as your vehicle comes in, brake light please, turn signal left, key on, turn signal right, and also we look at the license plate lights, reverse lights please. Yes sir, and your third brake light's working. We check this every time your vehicle comes in to make sure you have no light issues. Follow me this way. We take pictures and videos of everything we see on your truck. Come on up. Start the truck. As you can tell, please look at the instrument cluster. We make sure there's no warning lights on. And as you can tell, my technician is wearing black rubber gloves to keep your vehicle clean during service. Come on this way. When the vehicle comes in, we check the air filter. We do a battery test on the vehicle. We look at all your coolant, fluid levels, brake fluid, coolant level, antifreeze, power steering. We top off your washer fluid, no matter if you do service with us or not, free of charge, and we always check your air pressure. And then we look at the front. Headlights, please. Key on. Headlights. Brake lights. Turn signals. And there, thank you. And as the vehicle goes up, very quickly, we look for any safety concerns on the vehicle while it's in service. We do this absolutely free of charge to you. We do this every vehicle, every time. So we look at your tires, make sure they're in good, safe operating order. And for the time reason, we raise the vehicle all the way up. We look underneath it, make sure you have no active oil leaks or any immediate safety concerns. So, anytime you need service, come see us here in Montgomery. My Transmission Experts in Auto Care. 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Thank you so much. Have a great day.